Hey there! Have you ever wondered what happens when you type a website into your computer? Let's find out. You open your browser and type www.google.com. But how does your computer know where to find it? Your computer sends a secret message called a request. This request travels through the air using Wi-Fi signals, all the way to your router. Your router is like a post office. It knows exactly where to send your message. Your request travels super fast through underground cables and even under the ocean. It reaches a giant computer called a server. Servers are like huge libraries that store all the websites in the world. The server finds your website and breaks it into tiny pieces called packets. Think of packets like puzzle pieces. Each packet travels separately and finds the fastest route back to your computer. When all the packets arrive at your computer, your browser collects every single piece and puts the puzzle back together. And just like magic, your website appears on the screen. Wow, that all happened in less than 1 second. So next time you visit a website, remember, your request zoomed through Wi-Fi, traveled through cables, found a server, came back as packets, and your browser put it all together. The internet is amazing.